After 60, a lot of people start noticing the same frustrating problem. Your legs feel weaker, your body gets tired faster, and simple things like walking upstairs, carrying groceries, or even getting out of a chair don't feel as easy as they used to. And the hardest part is that it usually happens slowly, little by little, year after year, until one day you realize your strength just isn't what it used to be. But here's something surprising. One of the biggest things helping many seniors rebuild muscle and recover faster today may not be an expensive treatment or some complicated workout plan. It could actually be something natural that's already sitting in your kitchen. Most people believe getting weaker is just a normal part of aging that can't be changed. And yes, aging does affect the body. Muscles recover more slowly, joints become stiffer, and energy levels start to drop. But what many older adults don't realize is that the body still has the ability to repair and rebuild muscle when it gets the right nutrition and support. In fact, researchers and health experts are now paying closer attention to certain natural powders that may help seniors support muscle recovery, reduce inflammation, improve mobility, and feel stronger again naturally. And no, we're not talking about fake miracle supplements or trendy internet products. These are real ingredients backed by science and used by thousands of older adults every day. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 powerful natural powders that are helping many people over 60 regain strength, recover faster, and stay active without extreme diets or exhausting exercise routines. And I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below telling me your age and where you're watching from today. Your story may inspire someone else reading the comments too. 1. Whey protein powder. Whey protein is usually linked to bodybuilders and gym athletes, but it can actually be very helpful for adults over 60. As people age, the body naturally loses muscle every year. This process, called sarcopenia, is one reason many seniors start feeling weaker, slower, and more tired. Simple activities like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or standing up from a chair may suddenly feel harder than before. Recovery also becomes slower and muscles stay sore longer. That is why whey protein has become popular for healthy aging. Whey protein helps support muscle repair and strength because it contains all 9 essential amino acids the body needs. One important amino acid called leucine helps activate muscle protein synthesis, the process that repairs and rebuilds muscles after movement or exercise. After age 60, the body becomes less efficient at this process. Even seniors who eat regular meals may not get enough high-quality protein, which can lead to weakness, poor balance, and a higher risk of falls. One major benefit of whey protein is that it is absorbed quickly. Amino acids reach the muscles faster compared to many other protein sources. This can be especially helpful after physical activity. Seniors do not need intense workouts to benefit. Simple activities like walking, stretching, gardening, or light exercises combined with enough protein may help older adults recover faster and maintain strength. However, quality matters. Many cheap protein powders contain added sugar, artificial sweeteners, and fillers that may cause bloating or stomach discomfort. Experts often recommend cleaner options like whey protein isolate or grass-fed whey concentrate because they usually contain fewer unnecessary ingredients and better quality protein. For many seniors, around 20 grams of protein per serving is a common target, though needs can vary. Another reason whey protein is useful is because it is easy to add into daily life. Some people blend it into smoothies with berries or bananas. Others mix it into oatmeal, yogurt, or almond milk for a quick snack. Healthy habits done consistently often create the biggest results over time. Whey protein may also help seniors who experience appetite loss. Many older adults naturally eat less as they age and may not consume enough protein to support muscle health. Whey protein can help fill that gap without requiring large meals. Protein also helps people stay full longer and maintain more stable energy during the day. Researchers are also studying how whey protein may support the immune system. Whey contains compounds that can help increase glutathione, an important antioxidant that protects cells from stress and inflammation. While whey protein is not a miracle cure, maintaining muscle strength may help seniors stay active and independent longer. At the end of the day, whey protein is not about looking like a bodybuilder. For seniors, it is about protecting strength, improving recovery, and helping the body stay active for years to come. 2. Collagen peptides. As people get older, many begin noticing changes in their body that seem to appear out of nowhere. The knees feel stiffer in the morning, the hips become tighter after sitting, and simple activities like walking upstairs or carrying groceries may suddenly feel uncomfortable. For many adults over 60, these problems are connected to the body producing less collagen over time. Most people only connect collagen with beauty products or younger-looking skin, but collagen actually plays a much bigger role inside the body. It helps support joints, tendons, cartilage, bones, and connective tissue that keep movement smooth and stable. When collagen levels slowly decline with age, the body may not recover from daily movement as easily as before. That is one reason some seniors begin avoiding activity without fully realizing why. Using collagen peptides may help support the body in a different way than regular protein supplements. Instead of mainly feeding the muscles, collagen helps support the tissue around the muscles that allows the body to bend, walk, climb stairs, and stay balanced. Collagen peptides are broken down into smaller pieces, making them easier for the body to absorb and use. They also provide important amino acids that help support connective tissue repair. A lot of older adults say they begin feeling more comfortable moving after using collagen regularly for several weeks or months. Walking may feel smoother, the body may feel less stiff, and light exercise can become easier to manage. Feeling more confident during movement is extremely important because active seniors usually maintain better strength and mobility over time compared to those who stop moving due to discomfort. Another reason this supplement has become popular is because it is simple to add into a normal routine. Most collagen powders have very little taste and dissolve easily into coffee, tea, smoothies, oatmeal, or soup. There is no complicated preparation, which makes it easier for seniors to stay consistent. Research often suggests around 10 to 20 grams daily for ongoing support, though regular use matters more than taking large amounts once in a while. Bone support is another benefit receiving more attention today. Strong muscles need healthy bones underneath them. As people age, weaker bones increase the risk of falls and injuries that can affect independence. Some research suggests collagen may help support bone strength when combined with enough protein, vitamin C, and regular movement. Product quality still matters because not all collagen supplements are made the same way. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides are usually easier for the body to absorb. Some people also prefer grass-fed bovine collagen or marine collagen from trusted companies that focus on purity and testing. For seniors, the real goal is not looking younger. The bigger goal is staying active, moving more comfortably, and continuing to enjoy everyday life without stiffness or discomfort controlling every step. 3. Spirulina powder. Feeling tired all the time is something many adults over 60 quietly struggle with. Even simple activities can leave the body feeling drained, weak, or slow to recover. While aging plays a role, nutrition also becomes extremely important later in life. One supplement that has gained attention for helping support energy and recovery is spirulina powder. Spirulina is a blue-green algae packed with nutrients in a very small serving. Even though it looks simple, it contains protein, iron, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that may help support the body in several ways. Many health experts consider it one of the most nutrient-dense, natural foods available today. One reason spirulina stands out is because it contains complete plant-based protein. This means it provides all the essential amino acids the body needs to help maintain muscle tissue. As people age, muscle loss naturally increases, especially when protein intake becomes too low. Some seniors eat less because of appetite changes, digestive problems, or difficulty chewing certain foods. Spirulina may help provide extra nutrition without feeling too heavy on the stomach. Iron is another important nutrient found in spirulina. Low iron levels can leave older adults feeling weak, dizzy, or short of breath because the body struggles to carry oxygen properly through the bloodstream. When muscles and organs receive less oxygen, energy levels often drop. Spirulina naturally contains iron that may help support healthy circulation and improve energy over time. The supplement also contains magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins that support muscle function and natural energy production. Low levels of these nutrients may contribute to muscle cramps, weakness, stiffness, or fatigue. Some seniors dealing with tired legs or nighttime cramps may not realize that nutrient deficiencies could be part of the problem. One of the most studied compounds inside spirulina is phycocyanin, the antioxidant responsible for its deep green color. Researchers are interested in this compound because it may help support the body against inflammation. Chronic inflammation can slowly affect muscles and joints as people age, leading to soreness, slower recovery, and reduced mobility. Supporting the body's recovery process may help seniors stay more active and comfortable. Healthy circulation is another area where spirulina may help. Some research suggests it may support nitric oxide production, which helps blood vessels relax and improve blood flow. Better circulation allows oxygen and nutrients to reach muscles more efficiently. This may help older adults who often experience tired legs, cold hands and feet, or low endurance during daily activity. Using spirulina is usually simple. Many people mix the powder into smoothies, juice, or water with lemon. Others prefer tablets because they are more convenient. Since spirulina is very concentrated, starting with a small amount is often recommended. Mixing it with fruits like banana or berries may also improve the taste. Quality is extremely important because low-quality spirulina products may contain contaminants if not tested properly. Trusted brands that provide third-party testing are usually the safest choice. For many seniors, spirulina is not about following another health trend. It is about giving the body extra nutritional support to help improve energy, recovery, circulation, and overall strength during everyday life. Getting older does not mean you have to accept feeling weak, tired, or limited every single day. The truth is your muscles still need support after 60, and sometimes the smallest daily habits can make the biggest difference over time. Whey protein can help support muscle repair. Collagen peptides may help your joints and movement feel more comfortable. And spirulina may help support energy, circulation, and recovery when your body feels drained. None of these are magic solutions overnight, but with consistency, they may help you feel stronger, steadier, and more confident again. If you've been noticing weaker legs, slower recovery, or lower energy lately, don't ignore it. Your body may simply be asking for better support and nutrition. And remember, it's never too late to start rebuilding strength. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below telling us your age and where you're watching from. And make sure to watch the next video on the screen now because it may help you protect your muscles and stay active for many more years.